So I created my own cryptocurrency and I'm really excited about it because I want to see what this will do. You know, as I start to push this thing, as people start to really understand what's going on here and, you know, just everything as a whole when it comes to crypto, how can we create a cryptocurrency that really translates to all of the community that I have, the ape community, whether people are, you know, investing in AMC, GME, crypto, anything, you know, how does it really translate to those type of people, you know, to me, to my friends, to family, anything like that? Well, I decided to create Buy the Dip coin. Now, what we're going to do in this video is I need to find a way to price it. And the only way I know how to price it is that you go through a liquidity pool and you have other people do the same thing in order to basically price where it would be at. Now, I'm not 100% sure as to how you do all of that. So if you know it a little bit more than me, then definitely do it. But I can walk you through basically the steps that I took. And we'll do that in the beginning before we go through the creation of this cryptocurrency. So before I get started, guys, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and you'll get more content like this when it comes to crypto and investments and all that stuff. But basically, what I created it with was Remix, and I went through a video basically searching if I can create a cryptocurrency, and I created it with this, creating two scripts here, Buy the Dip Soul and EIP20 interface Soul. That's what I was told to go through. And this is what I came up with. I came up with 100,000 BTD. Didn't really pay too much. I think it was like $60 or something. It could have been less if I went through a different network, but ended up paying like $60 for this to get set up. It doesn't have a logo yet, which I did apply for the logo, and or to apply to put a logo on there. So that's something that I did create, but it's going to take like 3 to 5 days. But there's only 100,000 that are out there. It's still at $0. Here's the address. Just to let you know, the address will be down in the description or the comments, one of the two. I'll put it down there so that you guys can copy it and do whatever you have to do. Now, I think there's going to be some sort of a like competition or something. So if you want free BTD before this actually takes off, all you have to do is set up the liquidity pool, let me know that you set up everything, and I can actually send you free BTD. I plan on sending some of the portions that I have out to other people. Now, I know a question that people will ask me is how much am I keeping when it comes to BTD? Right now I hold 30,000, and I'll go into my Metamask. Right now I hold 30,000, which is about 30%. Now I'm nowhere near going to keep 30%. I want to hold probably 5 or 10% and just let that sit there and, you know, be comfortable with what I am holding. I do want to hold a larger amount, but I don't want to hold like 50% like I'm working on a business here. This is mainly a coin where I feel like there's going to be a lot of people that get involved and just sit on it and, you know, go from there. So right now I have 30,000 in my MetaMask here, and it's priced at, you know, $0 because it doesn't have a value to it yet. But I do plan on sending this out to people, subscribers, members, all of that. So if you guys are interested in it, go over and set up the liquidity pool, which I am going to go into next. If you guys want to do that and, you know, help it out, and you might get some free BTD from it. So anyways, basically what we have to do, like I said, there's going to be the address in the description. So make sure you use that for this process. But you're going to want to go to Uniswap home, right? So you type in Uniswap, it's going to tell you to launch the app. You're going to then launch it, and it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to bring up like Ethereum or whatever. What you want to do is you probably want to end up linking your MetaMask wallet. You want to go to pool. You go to new position, and then you're going to go to here, and you're going to actually go to manage token list. You go to tokens. This mouse is not working. Go to tokens, and then you just copy and paste the address in there, and it's going to bring up BTD. And then what you're going to do is you're going to accept all of that stuff, and you're actually going to set up the liquidity pool. Now I already have this to where I'm actually going to submit what I have to submit, and basically saying that I'm going to price this at, you know, 100 is going to equal 0.002 0.0028301 Ethereum, which is about $8.61 for 100, which means that I think each individual one is like less than, I think it's like less than 50 cents or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be cheap. It's not gonna be expensive, and you can price it whatever you want. I've been working through this to really figure out what was the best method, but I just put 10,000, then put about 7,000 here, and put about 11,000 there, just to see how this all works out. But it worked out to less than $1, and I want it way less than $1, basically at pennies, and then see how that grows from there. I just want to price it, have people hold it, and then continue to see how that does grow if it truly is affected by just buying and selling. That's what I want to see. And if it is, then we can continue to grow this to something a lot larger. And it's not something where you'll ever see me sell 100% of what I own. That's not going to be the case. At most, I'll probably ever sell, and I'm always transparent, you know this, it'll be like 0.0001% just to see how that does affect the price. It's more of a trial type of thing, more of a, go ahead and see if this does affect the price in any way by selling one BTD or anything like that. So we'll see how everything plays out, but I do expect this to be a little bit bigger. I just want to see how you grow a cryptocurrency. It's very interesting to me to see if you can grow a cryptocurrency. So anyways, if you guys want free BTD, I can send it directly to your MetaMask wallet. I don't know if it can go to other wallets, not yet, but I can definitely send it directly to your MetaMask wallet if you go through this whole process and set up liquidity, like add liquidity. I'm going to go ahead and approve this right now, for me at least. And for me, I'm going to have a fee associated with it. And we're going to see if this goes through. And it's pending, it's pending, it's pending. It's taking its time, so it is pending. I'm just going to set up the liquidity for me. If you guys want to go ahead and do this, I would really appreciate it. Also, if you let me know, you can get free BTD from it, and maybe it's not free, maybe it'll cost you a little bit in order to do so, depending how much you do. If you put one there, I think if you put one there, you can still go through that as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Am I doing this the right way? I don't want to just set up something where I'm setting up my own like blockchain or anything like that. I wanted to do something quick, easy, straight to the point. But yeah, this is what we got. So guys, thank you for watching. Let me know, use the links down below to set this up and all of that stuff. But I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.